Doing the fidget spinner. American fidget spinner.
I ain't making you no more. This is the last waffle.
Fresh cut.
I got two there. Watch this.
My next was long. Didn't I show y'all the first video when I was spinning this one? But be safe out there getting these because it was a boy stuck his finger in that little hole. They had to cut it off. Be careful getting these things. I be careful. I be like this. But shout out to y'all. Come look at all my videos. I let y'all. My hair went playing Madden.